Ka CIT link ba ka skill Meghalaya project kan IG kai free skill training yaki khana samla ha ka assistant beauty therapist klam daran kamban seo na ka panta ka training. Kibala ban pendap yakane ka training kin yo yaki startup tools ban seng kam la jong. Yaki jingte ba kambanya pila ban phone hau number pra nyo sao san khandai sao riu.
Ka kanhon menteri ka sarkar jala ha ka khandai trik nailar kala ai ka jingmanjor halor ka amendment jong ka Meghalaya Board of School Education Regulation for Secondary School Leaving Certificate Examination 2011 ka bansha ban pelong no artali ki board exam ha ka shisnam naduh usnam arajar apusan habakren sakilap thai kubor hadien kate ka jingalang u menteri ka tanat puli puthi urakam e sangma ulaong da kani ka jingshim rai ka MBOSE kan penlong no artali ki board exam ha ka shisnam ka ban sedang naduh usnam arajar apusan syakaman ya ka board exam ka baningkong an penlong ha ubnai rempang lani ha ka basdang jong ubnai leber bat ka board exam ka baar an penlong na kabenta kitu ki basya batlut habarok subject lani ka way arne lai subject an sya yaki ban yakun ya ka board exam hapo jong ka shibnai na arbnai AA kata ka bamut hapo jong ubnai jemmang ulaong katkum ka jingpan pauda u menteri kane ka rajong ka sarkar jala ka dei ka bayat katkum ka National Education Policy NEP uni u menteri ulaong ba kane kala ban kershan yaki kena puli namar menta ka supplementary exam ki dei ki bajupan long hadien shisnam henry menta ya ka supplementary exam anla ban pelong no hapo uju usnam khenang ban pelat na ka jingsep a ka ba shisnam na ka banta ki kena class 10 nalor kani urakam ulaong ru khenang ban tingka ya ka por na ka banta ki kena puli bakin yo rung class ha ki snam ban 1 kata la kalong ha u arajar arpusan hadu arajar arpun rio ka board exam ka baningkong kan long hi ha ubnai no pra kata le se ha katayo balai ne tayo basaw jong ubnai no pra arajar arpusan ka board exam ka baar kan long ha ubnai rempang na nilber arajar arpun rio henry na ka banta kani ka samoy puli ba menta usnam an penlong ya baro artli ki exam hapo ubnai rempang ba jemmang ha ka ju kapor umentri upentep ru pakan amdan ka optional paper lani best of 5 nadu ka samay snam puli jong usnam arajar arpun rio hadu arajar arpun nyo
Bill 20 from next academic year 2025 onwards Meghalaya Board of School will be having 2 board examination in a year so like the main exam the first exam, board exam, will be held in the month of February or early of the March. And second exam, for those who fail, all the subjects, those who fail in 1 or 2 or 3 subjects, they will be allowed to reappear within a 2 months time. So within a May. From on 2025, the first Meghalaya Board of School examination for class 10 will be held in the month of the early of the February 2025 and the result will be declared early as possible. The second re-examination for we can call it supplementary for all those fail students and for all those fail in 1 or 2 or 3 subjects, they can reappear within the month of first week of May. But in order to save the time for their admission in the years to come, maybe in 2025-26 academic year, the first board exam will happen in the month of December itself. December, maybe the 3rd week or 4th week of December 2026. 2025. The second board exam will be maybe in the February or March 2026. But for this academic year 2025, within the February and the May, we'll be having the 2 board examination, so that this all has been done to support the students, because now the supplementary examination used to help after the 1 year gap time, but now the supplementary examination will be held within the same academic year to save the 1 year loss to the students of class 10. And also from 26-27 academic year, the optional paper will not be anymore for Meghalaya Board of School examination. The best of 5 will not be there, but since in 2026 and 27th academic year, all the students must and will have to pass in all the 6 subjects from 27th board examination onward. Yeah, that's it.
There won't be any more best of 5.
Yes, but after 2 years. But those who are in class 8 right now and below, they have to be very prepared from now onward that all the subjects will be made compulsory from 2027 onward. Yeah.
So the marks will be calculated together, or there will be separate mark sheet again for supplementary?
No, the question doesn't arise the mark of difference, because only the failed students will be writing in the second board exam. No? Yeah. Only the marks will calculate only of the pass subject. Only of
the pass subject.
Only of the pass subject.
What is the main reason that the cabinet, the government has to think about having 2 exams in a
Look,
year?
it is in line with the NEP, number 1, and number 2, in our state, the supplementary examination is being held after a gap of 1 year, next year, which is a loss of completely 1 a year. So just to what you call help us, students to help out, they will be appearing supplementary examination within a same academic year. That's all. So this is being done in CBSE, also CBSE board and other board of the countries.